Hey guys, it's me, Gaming Raphael, and I'm gonna fight this guy. Sorry I had to do it in the middle of the game. I had to because I totally forgot to record. And right now I'm not even in a good shape. Kill! Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm not really in good shape. Hurry up! So, right now my screencast is not being friendly right now. It's mad. It's very mad. Every time I try to record, it goes like, "You have finished. Would you like to return this to YouTube?" Something like that. And then I push no, and then send it, and I had to delete it. What? Thank you, person that left all of this. Pretty sure you're. Why would you leave it? Whoa. And why a compass? Man, this guy's good. Yeah, leggings. Wait. No! ¡Ah!
¿Y ya no ocupas esto? ¿No sirvió? ¿No lo quieres entonces?
Stay back. No! I didn't. I'm there. Yeah, guys. Hope you like and subscribe. Peace. Bye. This is totally nightmare.
¿No te gustó, Rafa?